So I'll get to Play Store and then I'll just type Trust Wallet. So let's choose this. That's the app. It should be coming from DApps Platform Incorporation. Okay, so it's just 16 megabytes. Let's go ahead and hit install. Alright, Trust Wallet is downloaded. Let's go ahead and open it. I think at some point you may not see my screen because of security reasons from Trust Wallets. Okay, so create a wallet. You have to agree to the terms and service policy. Alright, so you need to create a new passcode. Okay, so let's create a new passcode. I'm going to create one here, but I'll change it anyway later on. So I'm going to say 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I have to re-enter it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now you need to create a backup for your wallet. Okay, so it says in this step you would see secret phrase 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. Alright, so if I lose my secret phrase, my funds will be lost forever. If I expose or share my phrase to anyone, my funds can get stolen. So there's just a way to secure your wallet, okay, so that you don't lose your funds. Let's go ahead and hit continue. So this is a secret phrase. You have to copy it somewhere. So normally when I have stuff like this, what I do is I copy it and save it in my email. Other times I have my Mega account, so I just save it in my Mega account so I don't lose it. Alright, so I've already copied it. Let's go ahead and hit continue. Now you see this phrase, there's some numbers attached to the phrase. So you have frequent as 1, 2 you have ads, 3 you have laptop, 4 you have song, 5 you have clean, 6 you have museum, 7 you have tank, 8 you have impulse, 9 you have bicycle, 10 you have worry, 11 you have now, and then 12 you have blank. So I'm going to copy that now, and I need to paste it somewhere, at least for now. So let's find notes. Notes. I'm going to paste it in my notes like so. Alright. So, it says, oh, well done. Now, don't forget to save that thing in your email, or you can save it in your Google Drive, or if you have a Mega account, you can save it there. So your wallet was successfully created, and so you can enable push notifications, and this is my Trust Wallet. Very clean and clear. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video, and just hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed, so that each time I post any video about Trust Wallet, about anything, you are not going to miss it. Don't forget also to hit the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts. These things will go a long way to help the channel a lot. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.